Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. I'm your host, 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚, and today we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones with unique features and functionalities. In the red corner, we have the 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟 HS190, and in the blue corner, we have the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟𝙚 HS190 comes in at an affordable price of HS190, making it a great option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚 is priced at $129, offering more advanced features for those willing to invest a bit more. Now let's dive into the features. The 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟𝙚 HS190 offers one-click takeoff and landing, perfect for beginners and kids. It also has a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. With its altitude hold function and headless mode, the HS190 ensures stable and easy control for pilots of all skill levels. The 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟𝙚 HS190 does not come with a built-in camera, focusing more on its flying features. However, if you're looking for a drone specifically for aerial photography or videography, the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚 is the way to go. It is equipped with an HD 1080p camera that captures stunning photos and videos with high quality and frame rate. Plus, the camera angle can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees, giving you more flexibility in capturing the perfect shot. Portability is always a key factor to consider, especially if you want to take your drone on the go. The 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟𝙚 HS190 is incredibly compact, with a size of 2.44*2.44*0.94 inches. It can be folded into the controller, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. This makes it a great option for parties, school, fishing, hiking, and more. The 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙟𝙚 HS190 offers approximately battery life of HS190 minutes of flight time, ensuring you have enough time to enjoy your drone flying experience. However, the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚 takes it a step further. With two rechargeable drone batteries, it extends the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes, providing a worry-free flying experience. The batteries are easy to charge and replace, and the remote controller even emits a low battery warning, so you never lose your RC drone. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's an overall assessment of the two drones. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚 hydrogen sulfide and the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙚. Both drones have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a budget and looking for a drone with great flying capabilities, the 𝙎𝙤𝙟𝙚 HS190 is a solid choice. However, if you're more interested in aerial photography and advanced features, the drone with camera by 𝙎𝙤𝙚 is worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and pricing on both drones. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!